Good morning. The last thing that's required to do is to install and compile the Ezust libraries. So that's what I'm going to try and accomplish in this exercise. First of all, they said that we must try and go to Control Panel. So we can set some system-wide settings. So I right-click there and I went to Control Panel. Over here, I changed this from category to large icons. And then I scroll down here and I'm clicking on system, which is what they've said we must do. And if I go to advanced system settings, then there it is. And I can click on environment variables. And as you can see, my environment variables are a little bit different than theirs. But anyway, over here, we've got to click on new. And then they said, what are we going to call the variable name? And they've said to us to use this cpp_libs. cpp_libs. Okay. And in the variable value, they've said we must call it c_projects. Okay. I'm going to take off projects /libs. I'm going to make it all small, just as what they've got it. Okay. And I'm going to say okay. Now C project libs doesn't exist on my system, but the system variable has been set according to what they've asked us to do. So I'm going to now go to the C drive over here and I'm going to create these folders. So the first one is projects, okay, and then the next one was libs, okay, and they said that we must download the Ezust libraries from their UNISA website and we must extract it to the thing. So I've already got those. I've put them in the documents. Here's the libs. So I'm going to open them. I'm going to say extract all, and I'm going to put them into that new folder that I've just created on the C drive. Projects and libs. Select, extract, and I'm leaving it to extract all the libraries according to what they've got here. So if you have a look, it's left libs and here is all the libraries, okay? So they've said to us that we must open up Qt when we go to all apps and go to Qt and we choose Qt Creator, okay? They want us to open the project file, which will be this libs project. So we just have to wait for my Qt to load. We will click on open project. We would look on the C drive. Projects libs, and they said that we must open this libs project. Click on open. Click on configure project. Okay, there we go. And now it says we must build these libs. So according to their manual, that is the build. So we're clicking on build. They say that if the build is successful and completes, then we should find a DLL file in this same project libs folder. Still waiting for it to continue building. I see it's come up with one issue so far. Okay, telling us could not find the executable. Please specify one. I don't see that they've made any notes on it. So I'm just going to choose cancel here. And let's see if that DLL file was created. Yes, there we go. Data objects, DLL. So even though it came up asking for an executable, push cancel and the DLL is available. I will now close the project, and as they've said, we can now start using these libraries because they have been compiled with the required DLL file. Thank you for watching. I hope that this has been helpful, and best of luck with Q2.